all cats are cleaned and sanitized on Friday. So the first thing we do, we put their cat sheets in the wash machine, make sure they're washed, and then we do that on Friday. Like when they get up from nap on Friday, we take their cat sheets and blankets and then we wash them. And when they're washed and dry, we put them back on the cats like this, one by one, so that they'll be ready for Monday. So this is kind of the first thing we do on Saturdays, and there's really no routine to our Saturdays. It's nice and slow, and we take our time. This Saturday I think I woke up around 11, took a shower, just took our time, and then we started fixing the cats. So we'll do this. We'll wash the sheets, and then put them on the cats and get them ready for Monday. And these are just regular crib sheets, that we use. We buy them, and then they fit perfectly on the cats. And the way you see how we kind of make sure they are tucked all the way down, because sometimes when the kids lay on it, it comes off. So it's like locking it. You see how we put it all the way down on on those legs. So we lock them up, and the kids can lay on them comfortably. Every child has a unique blanket and cat sheet, so we know them. Every child has a cat label, so we match the cats to the cat sheets. If you're thinking of buying anything for nap time, you should buy these cats because they are very durable. And those kids can be rough with everything. They jump on it, they do everything on it. Oh, that's just John spraying it with Febreze so they can smell nice for the kids when they lay down. And we're done. And then we start working on other parts of the house. So I think I had taken some things downstairs to the classroom area, but this is John just doing the dishes and doing some things in the kitchen. So we clean the kitchen, we clean all the rooms, we clean the classroom. We do all the major cleaning on Saturdays. Sometimes we extend it to Sunday. So it's just, since our weekday is filled up with routines, because if you want to have a successful preschool program, you have to have a routine. Our weekday is routine from the beginning to the end. So our weekend, we try to just loosen up a little and just take it easy. Slow down, take our time. Don't need to have any rhyme or reason to it. As long as we clean the house, get it ready for the next week. So this is our pantry, and since we shop every weekend, one way of knowing what we have or don't have is cleaning the pantry. So we clean the pantry every Saturday or Sunday, just depends, and then make a list and then go shopping, with what we think we're going to need for the week. So this is just me bringing out the things in the pantry and cleaning it and just organizing things, making it look better. So you see I have baskets in the pantry. Makes it easy to see things at a glance, just know what you have or don't have. But again, that's the Milo and milk. But again, we labeled this just to make it, look more organized. To make it look more organized, and it's really nice. Looks nice and clean. But during the week, it doesn't, because it's quick hand in, quick and out. real quick. Like you go in quick, we come out quick. Yeah, we're just adjusting the camera here. So that's the way it is. When you're serving food, when you're trying to cook lunches, or when you're trying to serve breakfast or lunch, it's a fasting. Like the preschool classroom, you're fast. The children, they are very impatient. When it's time for a meal, it doesn't matter if they're hungry, because we don't have much intervals between meals, maybe 2 hours or so. So they should be able to wait for the next meal, but they're really not built like that. They are very impatient. They want it like yesterday, so I'm in a rush. I'm going in, running, taking a snack, it's all fast stuff. So by the end of the week, the pantry is pretty much disorganized. It's just the laundry room. You see how we have that chain link on the door in the laundry room, just to keep the kids out, because we have all the laundry stuff in there, so it's always locked. But yeah, these are baskets from the dollar store, and labeled with this. I think I got this from Amazon. This small label. It's like a roll, and you will label the baskets and just clean as much as we can. I don't really know how, sometimes I wonder, I'm like, providers doing daycare, home daycare, how, and they're doing it all by themselves. They don't have any help. I don't know how you do it, because even with help, it's hard. It's hard. The cleaning is a lot of work. You have to clean constantly. You clean during the day, you clean during the weekends. We're cleaning, constantly cleaning, and that's not even half of it. You're cleaning, you're cooking, you're changing, you're creating learning activities, you're making sure the children are entertained. So, it's a lot of physical work. And I'm lucky I have people helping me. I'm very lucky. So we're still organizing. And one more thing I want to mention. I did label our closets. So there's the one at the beginning, right at the front door. That one is 1, and that's where the children put their coats and shoes when they come in the morning. And then this is number 2. Number 2 is the pantry, where we have all the food. And there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, all in the classroom for different storage things, where I store different things. So just still cleaning the pantry, just still organizing, and putting things in different places, making it look good. Just for a day or two, because by Tuesday or Wednesday we'll be needing to clean it again. So John's busy cleaning the machine in the laundry room, and I'm still organizing. And I want to add again that we really don't have a rhyme or reason to how we put things on the in the pantry. We put them in different places, just how they fit. So this week it might be one way, next week you might come and it's a different way, just as long as it looks nice and clean and organized, we're fine. So my husband's helping. That's my that's my fufu in that container. If you had seen my fufu video, you'll see that I had used that I had my fufu in that clear container, and that's where I had taken it from. Go check out my fufu video, how you make fufu in the microwave. I did that. So we'll just still keep cleaning, organizing, switching things around. That's tea. All done. Yay! Now the pantry is done. We're almost done in the kitchen. So I'll just say we're halfway done. I'm just taking a snack. I have yogurt and some fruit. I'll take it little by little. And John is cleaning, doing some small cleaning touch up in the kitchen. We do have cleaners come to clean every other week. So they do major cleaning. They do the windows, the floors, they do a lot more. So our weekend cleanings are just touch-ups, because mostly the house is clean because we have those hired cleaners and they do a great job. We love their job. They do well, cleaning. So we just do the daily touch-ups and so we're just still touch-ups. Doing some little touch-up cleaning in the kitchen, getting the floors clean, putting things away, checking receipts. And now we're working on the menu. So after cleaning, taking inventory of all the things we have or don't have, what we need for the week, for daycare, we'll get the menu done. And, get the menu done, get that part of the daycare ready for the week. Because the week, we have weekly menus because of the USDA food program. I used to do monthly menu, so I'll just do it once and be done with it. But the food program wants you to do weekly menus. So that's what we do. So we do the menu, and then while we're working on the menu, we're making a list and getting ready to go shopping. That's another major aspect of our weekend. So I think this is where we're just gonna leave it, because we don't have the footage of when we went shopping at the market. That I'm going to make into another video. So I want to say thank you all so much for staying tuned as usual. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking and sharing. Thank you for helping us grow our channel and help us reach our next goal, which is 700, and at which point we're gonna be doing a giveaway. Thank you guys. Love you all. Bye.